God giving comfort indeed. Show you commitment and love and loyalty. Take this journey with Tierra, many things to see. Yeah, I'll show you love again.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tierra. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are returning, hey girl, hey. All right, so of course I went to work last night and I just got up not too long ago. I got up and we were hungry, so of course I didn't feel like cooking anything. So I went to go get something to eat. I got all of us Portillo's. I was hungry, but I really didn't want like I just wanted some fries, pretty much. And I got them some food. And then look, let me tell y'all, I am the queen of free stuff, especially for my birthday. My birthday was Monday, and I'm telling y'all, let me put y'all on. A lot of these restaurants and apps, like if you sign up for their like rewards program or loyalty program or whatever, they usually give you free stuff. So on my birthday, I went around collecting like all of the free stuff. So I went to, what was that? I went to Hooters to get a 10-piece wing. I went to Buffalo Wild Wings and got a 6-piece wing. Now, mind you, all of this is free. I went to Jimmy John's and got a free sandwich. I went to Starbucks and got a frappe. I went to Portillo's and got a free slice of cake. Now, one thing I like about Portillo's is they give you a free slice of cake for everybody that's in your family. So I also get a free slice of cake for the girl's birthday too. What else did I get? I can't think of it right now, but I'm pretty sure it was something else that I got. Oh, I got a free cookie from Crumble. And I think you get like a free, like outside of food, I think you get like a free travel size lotion or body mist or something like that. Like I know you get a lotion from Bath and Body Works, and you get a free gift from Ulta Beauty. I don't know if you get anything from Sephora. I would have to check. And then you also get free ice cream from Cold Stone Creamery. And you also get free underwear from Victoria's Secret, I believe. All of the stuff that I got as far as food that day, I just bought it home and told the girls, there you go, divvy it up. I don't care. But today I went and got the Portillo's, but then I remembered that I get a free cake from Nothing But Cakes. I ain't never had them. I signed up for their rewards program a while back, but I never did an order. But then I had got like an email that I had a free cake, and it lasts for, I think it lasts like 7 days or something like that. This one don't last all month like Portillo's. A lot of the places you usually get all month, but I don't know. I got the strawberries and cream or whatever, so I'm about to try this. I don't know if it's good or not, but we about to see. I don't like how this looks like spider legs. Like, bro. Yo. This is so good. Okay. Yeah, damn. Okay. So, I don't know how, but the cake itself is like super moist. And then I think this frosting, this got to be like cream cheese or something. I don't think that's regular. That's not regular frosting. This is good. Okay, so now I'm happy because I got this one for free for my birthday. But then while I was in there, all the other cakes look good too. So I got a lemon one. I know that's finna be fire, but I'm saving that one for when I go to work. So this, man, I'm about to bank. What Gina say on Martin? She's, boy, I'm a cheered up. Yeah, I'm about to kill this. So, I know I am. Anyway, yeah, that's definitely cream cheese. Definitely cream cheese. Come on, man. I already got a crumble cookie addiction. And now y'all gonna do this to me. Oh man. I live so close, man. I just can't win, man. I just can't win because now I just have to go. I just have to go and get cakes now. And they make them in individual little tiny, man. Anyway, that's good. I really don't have nothing planned. To be honest, I got like 6 hours of sleep, so I want to try to get another, I don't know, 2 hours or something in, like nap, before I go to work tonight. I mean, that's pretty much all I do. All I do is sleep, eat, and work. I mean, outside of cleaning and whatnot, I don't do nothing fun. Let's just say that. I don't got no fun. Because who got time for fun? It's always, if you ain't on stage, you about to be on stage. It's always work. So, anywho, I'm about to finish this. And then I'm probably going to take a nap, get up, go to work. When I get off of work, I got so many errands to run when I get off of work because it's, it'll be Monday morning. So I know I got to go to the bank. Girl, I get a headache thinking about all the stuff I'll be having to do. Anyway, I'll talk to y'all later. What's up, y'all? So I am off work. I just got back from the grocery store and now I am about to run to the bank. And then when I leave the bank, I have to stop and get my prescription from Walgreens. And then I can finally come home and go to sleep. I am so tired. Soraya is asking me to take her to the trampoline park later today. I'm tired thinking about it, so I don't know if I'm actually going to do it. We shall see. If we do, I will pick you guys back up. Alright, y'all, so I am done at the bank. It is 9:05 in the morning, and for some reason I am fixated on cake. So yesterday y'all seen me try the nothing bundt cake. I am floored, and I think I'm addicted, to be honest, because I already want another one. So I haven't decided if I want to go wash my car. I think I need to go to the car wash real quick, just because here's the thing, once I crash, that's it. You're not gonna get anything else out of me. So I usually try to do whatever I need to do before I go to sleep. So I think I'm gonna just go wash my car real quick and then go to nothing but bundt cake and get my cake. Now, just a little putting y'all on. If you sign up for their little rewards thing for nothing bundt cake, the welcome gift that they give you is buy one get one free on the little small little cakes, and they are so good. So I'm going to use the buy one get one free. Yesterday the cake that I had was free because it was my birthday gift. So you also get a free cake, little mini cake or whatever for your birthday. So All I know is even once I eat these cakes, they're gonna have a loyal customer there. Cause between them and Crumble, I don't know what I'm gonna do. For real. And then I always like I don't make it no better because I'm always telling myself I deserve it. For all that I do, for how hard that I work, I deserve it. At some point I'm gonna get a grip. But alright, y'all, let's get to this car wash. I'm actually I love going to the car wash. I don't know. It's something about seeing like all the suds and the bubbles and all that good stuff. But alright, y'all.
I don't know if I'm okay. I don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be your sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance. A short bike ride to the crib, using no hands. Oh, did it feel like I'm floating? But I'm falling with both eyes closed when I let the world spin. Testing the water, she got my nerves tense. Back when I ain't even have a purpose, I was so eager to learn some things. Anxiety bring out the worst in me. Society paint me as enemy. My making it by that remedy. I'm more occasional, don't do it regularly. Backs under my eyes, weighing down heavily. Mama been worried, the devil allegedly deep in the plan. Subconsciously wanted it since I was 10. I thought I was sharp on my scroll and my pen think it did. So mama found shit of them legs. She told me that's not who I am. But nowadays I put on for the fam, see it when I can. I'm surrounded by my feelings, I'm stuck on a Ferris wheel. I bet I perish with 140 acres. She want the horse and the carriage, a porcelain portion of garbage. I talk to the mirror, I know that life's not the fairest.
Hello. How are you? Okay. I already had the lemon and I had the strawberries and cream, so right now I have a buy one get one free. I'm gonna do the strawberries and cream again, and then I'm gonna try the red velvet. Is that cream cheese on them? Okay, it's cream cheese on them. At first I was gonna go with no frosting, but you can't have cake with no frosting, that's just retarded. Alright, y'all, I am back home. I am about to pass the fuck out. I am so tired. Alright, I'll talk to y'all later. What's up, y'all? I am so tired. It is Friday and I have done so much today, but this is the first time I picked up the camera. I had to do laundry. I had to go to the grocery store. I kind of figured that y'all probably bored of seeing the grocery store at this point. So I just went on ahead and did that, got that out the way. And the girls got out of school early today. So I was able to get Soraya's hair washed, conditioned, and blow dried. So now it's ready to braid. So now I'm about to start setting up to braid her hair because I need to get this done today. And I haven't decided if I want to go ahead and take Cheyenne's hair down too. Or if I want to wait until I'm about to do her hair, because I usually never do both of their heads at the same time. Like, that's just too much. Like, it takes too long. But if I have the energy, when I get done with Soraya's hair, I might take Cheyenne's hair down just so it can be ready to wash. Because her hair, y'all already know how I feel about her hair. It gets on my nerve because it's so freaking thick. And it's like so thick it's so thick to where if I'm like washing it and it's like shampoo all in it, and then you run the water on the hair, you think the water is gonna run through, rinse all the shampoo out. If you run the water on the top layer of her hair, or you don't, like, you gotta open it up constantly in every single section, that's how thick it is, the water don't even run through it. It's pretty fucking annoying. So I actually am happy to have to do Soraya's hair because Soraya's hair usually don't give me no problem. So I'm probably just gonna like just do French braids or whatever, because I want it to be like to where it lasts like 2-3 weeks. So I don't gotta do her hair again no time soon, because I know that once we go on the Disney cruise, I'm probably gonna put both of their hair in box braids. That's gonna take me it takes me like 7 to 7.5 hours to do both of their hair, like each. So 7.5 hours to do one head, And so when I braid their hair before we go to the Disney cruise, I'm gonna have to do that on like 2 separate days, probably 2 separate weeks, who knows. But I'm definitely not doing that like in one sitting or even in 24 hours. Like that's just not gonna happen. So I'm not putting their hair in no type of box braids or anything before then because that's just too much work already. So yeah, all the styles that I'm gonna be putting their hair in now is gonna be something simple, something that I can do quick, and something I don't have to do their hair every day because I don't have time. So yeah, I'm about to set up and start separating the hair and all that crap, and then get it braided. All right, y'all.
Every moment tonight